First of all, I want to see now the end of the day that the price is really below this line. Because if we go again to the daily chart, we had other days which prices went below, but they came back all the time again. We had also here prices who were below. Now the question is if we will finish this daily candle below this orange line. So what happens a lot is that we have a pullback. The pullback means this was before a support line. Now it is a resistance line. So it will come up here, maybe a little bit even close to here, but eventually they will capitulate. And this capitulation, I look in a much smaller chart. Now we see we have an uptrend here, but I know the main trend is a downtrend. So I'm waiting now that here we have a reversal, and I need to see something like this. Okay, I'm still in the uptrend. I can't do anything. I can't short it now blindly. I don't know when the big speculants are capitulating. And I have to calculate my risk. I never risk more. I have to be a little bit careful. I risk between 0.5% and 2% of my account in one trade. Now, because of the costs and because of the high volatility, I want to find the perfect entry point. I don't know if this is the perfect entry point, but this is why I want to wait that we see a reversal in the market in 5-minute chart before I enter. Maybe I should wait until we would go below this level here. You understand? I look in a small time frame, I see the reversal, I trade in the direction of the trend. The trend is down. I broke a very important support level. I have a down market, and I try to speculate on this down market. Questions?
Jill, you mentioned the target $3,000 in a downtrend. Why did you mention $3,000?
Okay, good question. Actually, I just wanted to say that it could go half from where we are now. But in this case of 3,000, this is a little bit my belief, even though I can't promise it. But normally, we can see when we watch the long-term chart, it started very, very flat raising, and then it accelerated. And what happens a lot in bubbles, that it goes back to where the extreme acceleration started, and this would be around 3,000. Okay, now I don't know if it goes 3,000. As I said, even today, not even central banks know how to value gold. So cryptocurrencies, which are totally new, nobody knows what is the real value. I just can say from the chart view, history shows if we watch bubbles, if we study bubbles, it doesn't matter if it's the tulip bubble of the 17th century or it's the internet bubble, we come around back to this, the whole acceleration will normally wipe out, and then it goes normally for a time being sideways. So I don't know if it goes to 3,000, but what is very certain that we broke down to a very, very important support level today.